In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into ClickUp. We'll start right inside ClickUp. First, make sure you're in the list view where you want to work. This isn't strictly required for the import to function, but it helps you visualize where your data will eventually live once the import is complete. Next, head to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This is where all of your personal and workspace settings live. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This will open a new area with several configuration options for your account and workspace. Once you're in Settings, look for the option labeled Imports, Exports, and click on it. This is the section that allows you to bring data in from other tools and formats, including spreadsheets like Excel or CSV files. Inside Imports, Exports, you'll see several import sources. Click on Spreadsheet. This tells ClickUp you want to bring data in from a file such as an Excel or CSV document. Now, you'll be asked to choose where this imported data should go. Click on Select Location, and then pick the appropriate space, folder, or list in your ClickUp hierarchy. In this example, we're choosing a team space, but you should select the place that best matches where you want your tasks and information to live. Taking a moment to choose the correct location now will save you from having to move things around later. After you've selected the location, click Continue. At this point, ClickUp may take a little time to load the import interface. Be patient here and let it fully load. It might refresh or show a progress indicator a few times, especially if your workspace is large or your internet connection is slow. Just wait for the process to finish before you move on. Once the import interface is ready, look for the option to upload file and click on it. This will open a file picker from your device. Navigate to your Excel or CSV file, select it, and confirm. Make sure your file is saved and closed in Excel before uploading to avoid any issues. After the file is uploaded, ClickUp will show you a mapping screen. Here, you'll review and confirm how each column in your spreadsheet maps to fields in ClickUp, such as task name, description, due dates, assignees, and any custom fields you might be using. Go through each mapping choice carefully, because this determines how clean and usable your data will be once it's imported. When you're satisfied with the mapping, click Continue. You may see another confirmation screen or summary. Again, click Continue to proceed. Next, click on Import into ClickUp to actually start the import. ClickUp will process your file and prepare the tasks based on your settings. When that stage is done, you'll see a screen with a Next button. Click Next to move to the final step, Mapping Users. Here, you'll match the people listed in your CSV or Excel file to existing members in your ClickUp workspace, or choose to invite new users if needed. This step ensures that assignees and collaborators are correctly linked to real users in your workspace. Once you've completed user mapping, your import is finished. Your Excel data is now available in ClickUp, ready to be managed